Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd. The stock report was first published on StockInvest on October 26, 2021. In this stock report we give you all the key information you need to know about Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd for the upcoming trading day on Wednesday 27th. Knowledge is money, and this report is all about giving you information about support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Enjoy this unique report for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd, and please make sure you get our conclusion and forecast at the end of the video. In this section you will get general information about Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd performance. The Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock currently holds a 5.838 score, and our system has ranked Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd by candidate since October 25, 2021. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 44.36% since we first told you to buy Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd 2 days ago. This is an average return of 22.18% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd, our last headline reads, Big movements in Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock price on Tuesday moving 42.24% between high and low. The Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock price gained 44.36% on the last trading day, Tuesday, October 26, 2021, rising from 38 cents to 55 cents. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 42.24% from a day low at 49 cents to a day high of 69 cents. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 76.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 666 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 962 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $529.03 million. The Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock trends and predictions. The current Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a minus 30.75% change over the next 3 months. From a statistical point of view, a possible return between 110.06% and 173.42% from today's price. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 86.11% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 74.56% and 93.79%. This equals a price between 96 cents and $1.07 after a year. Analyst ratings. On Monday, June 28, 2021, Aegis set target to buy. Signals and forecast. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 36 cents and 34 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, October 5, 2021, and so far it has risen 83.33%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 144 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 146 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd. Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at 55 cents, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 20 cents between high and low, or 42.24%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 19.61%. In this section, we will give you important key values for Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd to up your trading game. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd meets first resistance at 57 cents. If you do not hold Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd finds first level of support at 55 cents, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at 50 cents, 45 cents, 37 cents. Sell at 65 cents, 70 cents, 78 cents. Our recommended stop loss is 53 cents, minus 3.32%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 84, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 15 days ago. Is Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock a buy? Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd holds several positive signals, and despite the stock being in a falling trend, we considered it to be a good choice at these current levels. We expect Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd stock will perform very well in the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 27th, we expect Meten EdTech Education Group Ltd to open up $0.0250 and start trading at 58 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.